Hi, I'm going to show you how to make this headphone cord wrap right here. And this is done in Fusion 360 and we'll actually be 3D printing them. But one of the things I would like you guys to do is actually modify this to make it better, different, add some, some life to it. It's pretty boring the way that it is right now. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to start with a new design. And I'm going to start with a sketch. And I'm going to start my sketch here between the blue and red axis, so it's laying flat. Okay, now my document is in millimeters, and I know that because in the document settings, I've hit the down arrow over here to see that my units are in millimeters. Okay, so that's important to know. So if yours are in centimeters, then you're going to want to make this in centimeters, not millimeters. Okay, so let's start. I'm going to start with a 2-point rectangle, and I want this to be 2 centimeters by 3 centimeters. So that's going to be 20 millimeters by 30 millimeters. And you can see that I've created a rectangle here that's 20 millimeters by 30 millimeters. Okay, the next step is I'm going to create a circle on either side, 2 circles, so one on either side of this. And I'm going to use the center point circle, and I'm going to just pull this until it's 30. Okay, so that's 3 centimeter circle. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the opposite side. I'm going to start pulling this, and as soon as I see that, I'm just going to type in 30. Okay, now I've got my center part and my 2 circles, and you can see that here. These are the 2 circles, and this is the center part. And I need these slots now. So one of the slots will be for the headphone jack, and the other slot will be for the headphones themselves. All right, we're going to use a different type of circle to do this, and we're going to be rectangle. We're going to be using the center rectangle. So here's the center rectangle right here, and I'm going to start my first center rectangle right here, right on the red line. And I'm just going to start pulling it down, okay? And I'm going to type in 10 there because I want it to be 10 millimeters long. And then I'm going to hit the tab key and I'm going to type 3 because I want it to be 3 millimeters wide. And there we go. I've got my first slot there. I'm going to add my second slot over here. So center rectangle, start it there. I'm going to just pull it up. Again, I'm going to type in 10 and then hit the tab key and type in 3. Okay, and then I'm going to finish my sketch. And now you can see here that I've got my basically the entire headphone cord wrap done. So I need to extrude this. So I'm going to use the extrude. I'm going to select this and this and this and this and this, but not the slots. Okay, and I'm going to bring this up 5 millimeters. Okay, so basically we're done here, except for one very important thing. We really want to do a fillet on the sides here. So fillet is that curved area, and the reason is that if these have sharp edges, it's going to cut your cord on your headphones. So I don't want to do that. So I'm going to make sure that I fillet the edges. So in order to fillet the edges, I select the fillet, and then I'm going to start picking edges. And I need to pick all of the edges on this. Okay, you should see them turn blue once you've selected them. And I'm going to keep going here, 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 and here. Now I'm going to fillet these 1.5 millimeters, so 1.5 millimeters. Okay, now I need to do that for the bottom. So I'm going to rotate this so I can see the bottom. And I'm going to, again, just kind of give this a rotation. Okay, and I'm going to fillet the sides here. So starting on that edge, that one, that one. Okay, and again, I'm going to do 1.5 millimeters. Okay, and then we're done. So this is our headphone cord wrap. Now, one of the things I'd like you guys to do is actually make this a little more customized, change it so that it matches an aesthetic that you like. All right, thanks for watching.